Good evening, guys. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, June 20th to 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday, June 20th, until tomorrow, Tuesday, June 21st, which will be the start of the summer solstice, meaning that the northern hemisphere, where the Philippines is located, and other areas like the United States, Europe, Canada, China, will have more daylight time, okay, compared to nighttime. So there will be more sunshine present during this time of the month, okay, that will persist until September, which will be the start of autumn. Okay, so now is officially the start of the summer season in the northern hemisphere, and we are also in the midst of the wet season. So we expect this coming July, August, the southwest monsoon, together with the occurrence of tropical cyclones, low pressure areas, intertropical convergence zone will be the common feature across the Philippine Islands. So expect arrival of these tropical cyclones. Let's hope and pray it won't hit or it won't make any landfall to any parts of the archipelago. So right now there's still no major weather system in and out of the Philippine area responsibility, just a local thunderstorms still occurring every afternoon across the Philippine Islands for the next 3 days. So expect this kind of weather situation. These are smaller sized cloud systems that will bring some sudden heavy to extreme rainfall for a few minutes, and then after 30 minutes to an hour or two, these thunderstorms will dissipate. And outside the PAR, we only have a couple of surface troughs over Micronesia and an intertropical convergence zone across the easternmost part of Micronesia and Marshall Islands. So there's still no tropical cyclone development. So we will continue to observe the Western Pacific in the coming days for possible development, particularly during the last week of June to July. So far it's still good across the horizon. No tropical cyclone formation based on majority of the computer models, except for one, the American model, which is forecasting a cyclone moving this direction. Okay, so it's still not a threat to our country, but it will slowly enhance the southwest monsoon. So just watch out for lightning strikes, sudden flooding, and landslide when we have these localized thunderstorms. Here's the fast animation from the University of Wisconsin satellite servers. We have here an upper level low pressure area. Upper level means that the low pressure is existing at higher altitude, around 25 to 50,000 feet. And along its periphery are thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands, so expect the usual tropical climate conditions that we are experiencing right now. And outside of PAR, it's all clear, just a couple of clouds generated by another upper level low here. Now for the zoom in satellite animation, beginning at 6 p.m. until this time, which is already almost 11 o'clock. There are still some roaming localized thunderstorms across western sections of Luzon, Mimaropa, some portions of Visayas like in northern Leyte, also across Cebu and Masbate, and also along the Zamboanga Peninsula. There is also a thunderstorm developing to the along the border of Camarines Norte and Camarines Sur, so expect some rain showers and thunderstorms across those areas. And as we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, so every afternoon we continue to expect these localized thunderstorms across various sections of the country, particularly over central Luzon and central Mindanao. By Wednesday afternoon, we expect The same situation, isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the country during the afternoon or early evening. And on Thursday afternoon, same situation will be expected in various sections of the country. Now, let's take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. So, majority of the Philippine Islands will have these localized thunderstorms. The bulk of the rainfall accumulation is concentrated across central Luzon, including Metro Manila, southern Tagalog provinces, Mindanao, and Panay, and also some areas of Palawan. And as for the wind forecast, we expect some light winds from the south and southeast by tomorrow Tuesday afternoon with variable and calm winds all throughout the country. Wednesday afternoon, we expect more calmer conditions across the Philippine Islands with some light winds from the east over the eastern sections of Luzon, including the eastern sections of the Bicol region. On Thursday afternoon, we expect same situation, calm to variable winds with some light winds from the east across the eastern Luzon area and some light southerly winds across Palawan and the West Philippine Sea. Some southeasterly to easterly winds across the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly Batanes and Babuyan group of islands. So there you go. That's the latest for this Monday evening, and we will return on Wednesday to give you more updates on the weather. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MrTyphoon.tv, or YouTube.com/Mr. Typhoon, or at our Facebook page, Mr. Typhoon, or MrTyphoon.com, or www.facebook.com/Mr. Typhoon. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you updated. And also don't forget to click the like button in every updates that we release on these video platforms. Okay, so there you go. This is Mike, and see you again on Wednesday. Good evening, and God bless.